Hi guys and welcome to my new video. I prepared a trading volatility guide video for you. They seem to be pretty popular on my channel, so here is another one. My strategy is very simple. I usually trade UVXY, but you can use also other ETFs to trade volatility. UVXY is leveraged ETF that you can use to trade volatility. If you are new to trading volatility, you must know that volatility always rises when stocks go down. So if there is a market crash, you can see a huge spike in volatility. It's very difficult to trade volatility because you never know when it's going to go up. But if you are correct, you will make a lot of money trading volatility. My guide is very simple, so let's go through it quickly. My volatility trading guide consists of 3 simple steps that need to happen in order for you to be successful. The first one is that RSI level has to be around 30. This means that the stock or UVXY ETF is oversold. This means that it's probably going to rise soon, so level 30 or below, or maybe a little bit above 30 level is a good indicator when you could actually enter this trade. Stock market must also be overvalued, so this means that Nasdaq, S&P 500 or DAF index, they have to be around 70 level or so. This means that stock market has to be overvalued and RSI has to be over 70. This is a pretty good indicator for the stock market to be overvalued. Last step in this strategy is to wait for the first green day in UVXY ETF. Candle must close above previous day, as you can see in the slide over here. So you can see that the volatility or UVXY was falling quite a bit, and then you have to wait for the first green day. In this case, it's actually this black candle. It also has to close above previous day close, so that means that, like in this case, you can see that the black candle actually closed above the red one. As you can see in the slide over here, this is pretty much the perfect time to be entering actually this trade. A similar situation can be seen also over here. It happened just a few days before I actually entered UVXY trade. In this case, it was not a perfect trade because you wouldn't make a lot of money, but you can see that you would still make some money and my strategy would work. A similar situation also happened on June 10th or 14th, where you can see we got a black or green candle over here, but this was not a perfect time for me to be entering the trade. I prefer it to look like this, you can see basically there's like a huge step in volatility and you can see that it's rising. In this case, on June 14th, you would actually make a lot of money because you can see that it rised from $30 per share to 36, so it's around 20%. In July, it also rised from 26 to 32, so it's even more than 20%. This is my simple strategy. So first step is that RSI in UVXY has to be around 30. The next one is that any other stock market such as Nasdaq, S&P 500 or Dow Jones index has to be also above 70. And then you just have to wait for the first green day in UVXY and just pray for the best. It's not very good idea to be holding UVXY for a long term, so you just have to enter quickly and exit even more quickly. Be careful because of UVXY time decay. This means that UVXY in the long term is always going to go down and you will lose pretty much all of your money. Short-term gains can still be pretty amazing. You can see that I almost made 20% just in 2 days. As I already said, you have to also exit fast because big drop may come, as in this case it dropped minus 10% on the third day. When there's usually a bigger market sell-off, it did not happen this time, it's still pretty stable, but I think it might happen soon in the next few months or even days. And when there would be a bigger sell-off, then you would see even bigger gains in UVXY because volatility would go up tremendously. Right now on Friday it dropped by more than 10%, so we will see what happens in the next few days. Trading volatility is very difficult. You never know if you are right in the trade, if not you will lose a lot of money. Great opportunities usually come every 2 or 3 months, as you can see in the graph over here. You can see that pretty much every 2 months you could make around 50% in trading volatility. It did not happen in this case, but I just wanted to show how my strategy works and that it works pretty well, if you follow it, of course. In the last year, you could have made almost around 200% trading volatility. So make sure to check out also my other videos on trading volatility. The strategy is very simple, and I hope we can all make a lot of money together. Thank you once again guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get 1000 subscribers. I'll make another video hopefully very soon.